Welcome to a video series that we're calling post frame components. In these videos, we'll be breaking down different components that make up a post frame building. In this video, we're going to be going through what is called Moisture-LOK. So Moisture-LOK, this is predominantly used as a condensation management control. And if you don't know post frame buildings very well, similarly to a pop can, when you take it out of the fridge and from cold to hot weather, as it's got metal, it'll start to condensate a little bit. With a post frame building, when it's cool mornings, sun comes up, hits that steel, you can get a little bit of moisture dripping off of that roof. So you might need some condensation control to eliminate that feature. So with Moisture-LOK, that's what this is used. And as you can see, it's right on your steel, and so it's not at all added or any other features. It comes on the bottom of the steel, so just like your roof steel coming on, it has a felt that's like 1/8 of an inch on the bottom of that steel. It comes adhered onto the steel, so there's no work on site for the crew, doesn't add any time to your construction, and it sits on that right on the bottom. So the benefits of Moisture-LOK versus other condensation barriers like OSB and felt or vinyl or double bubble wrap, which there's lots out there, is one, it's cost effective compared to a lot of its competitors. It's right on the bottom of the steel, doesn't have any added or any additional labor costs, and it's really easy to install as you install the roof line, and then it's on there. So it doesn't really have a lot of cost to you. It's one of the most cost-effective moisture barrier control systems that's out there. And additionally, it doesn't add any distraction or any shimmer or shine or anything hanging off your roof. It's right on the bottom of your steel. It's hardly even noticeable, especially when you're 16, 18, 20 feet in the air on that roof. So it's doing its job, and it's not even noticed by anyone that comes in your building, and allows the focus to be on your building. If you're thinking about adding Moisture-LOK to your building, there's one important thing you have to know. You must have overhangs. So typically that's a 1 foot or 2 foot overhang that has a vented soffit that goes down that overhang that allows airflow to come in through your building, and then with your vented ridge down the center of your building, the airflow comes in and then works its way up out of the center. So really the reason for this is it allows your Moisture-LOK to dry out. So that Moisture-LOK is soaking up the water that sometimes creates on the roof line, and as it soaks it up, it stops it from dripping. But then it needs to dry out. Otherwise, over time, it'll get moldy, it'll break down, or it'll just continue to drip because it can only hold so much water. So with that air coming through, it helps dry it out. It helps allow the Moisture-LOK to last longer and do its job effectively. I hope this video was educational for you as you're looking in how do you want to design your building, how do you want to maximize your building. If you're worried about condensation barrier, you check out our blog above that breaks down all of the top condensation barrier features that you can use in addition to Moisture-LOK. Thanks so much for watching, and always remember to build with confidence.